Hi everyone, so today I have this kit to share with you that Diamond Press has brought to HSN for the July Craft Day. It is the Diamond Press mini gift card bag, so I'm very curious to see what this is. Sounds cute already. So they did send this item free of charge from my review. Of course, all opinions are my own, and the links I'll have in the description box, possibly embedded in the video, down under the video at the very top of the description box will be affiliate links, which means I'll make a small commission for your purchase items to those links. So thank you for using those if you would like. This is very cute. Let's see. It looks like it's just a kit that's ready to go, right? Let's open this guy up. Oh, I thought these were they're brads. They're really big, pretty brads. Like rounded on the top. I don't know if you can see that. They're not just like flat. Well, we'll see when we get there. So let me see what the intention is here. Ooh, oh my gosh, it even has, that's cute. It has like the filler. So they're showing you here, like it has tons of tags and cute little like, I don't know if they're stickers. I don't think they're stickers. I think they're, yeah, pieces, because the way this is set up, it looked like it was like a sticker. We'll see when we get there. But use brads to combine tags and snow globes together. How cute is that? Tons of tags. You guys can pause there and see what they say. So like warm wishes, holly jolly, enjoy the holidays, the cute snow globes, all the bows and like hearts and stars and cute things like that. So this is what you're going for right here. That is adorable. Oh my gosh. So each bag requires 2 handles and 1 bag, and then you're just going to fold them, glue them together, obviously glue that, glue your little handles on, and you are good to go. That's really cute with the filler paper. So as you can see there, my goodness. So yeah, so you have your little filler paper here, very cute. And then you have these guys. Let's check them out. So you have red and green and white handles and a ton of those. You just bring them out. I'll leave those in there. It's not the biggest deal. Yes, so yeah, they are red, green, and white. I was just trying to make sure I wasn't looking at the back side of like, oh yeah, but they're colored on both sides. So yeah, definitely red, green, and white ones. And let's check out the colors of the bags. Okay, so we have, I'll give you a measurement of the completed bag at the end, but this is really pretty soft green with like a little design in there. And then look at this polka dot one, very cute. I guess we saw the examples in that one image. Oh, and this is very Diamond Press. Look at the design on that. Super cute. Not quite holly, but just like little sprigs, little berries and flowers. Very sweet. And then the little stripy one. I mean, these are all super duper cute. Maybe we'll do the red dot today. And maybe just for fun, let's do green handles. Okay, so I've got those pieces. And then, I mean, this is gonna be 2 seconds. Let me put these things up, I'll be right back. Those pieces up. And all we're gonna need now, Diamond Press, is dies to make this exact thing. I would love that. How cute is that? I know they have a lot of dies back in the day to make different bags. It's possible we already have something like that, but this is very cute. Let's see. Okay, so all the tags, right? Maybe we do a green tag. Should do the dark green or the light? Let's do that one. Very cute. Warm wishes, enjoy the holiday, Merry Christmas, all those great things. And then her little guys here. I mean, these are super cute. Look at the little guys and the little Santa with different skin tones. You have all your little gingerbread. I'm gonna go gingerbread, you already know that. Super cute. Some of them have foil and some are just colored like this. And then you have, I mean, all these little bows and things. I suppose you don't even need to put a tag, right? I mean, whatever you want, right? You put a bow right in the center here or however. The tag does have a brad, so I assume you're going to just either glue it on or punch it into your bag. So that's something to think about. Let me think. Let me grab this. Okay, so yeah, just a ton of bows. Really, really cute. single ones like this, or maybe you layer them up, if you want. That'd be fun. You have all these little hearts and stars and cute other things. I think those are just different things that, if you want to do this, then do this. If you want to do that, then do that. Trying to see. Okay, we'll just keep that there. All right, let's go ahead and put the bag together. I'm just debating if I do want to use a brad or if I'd rather just put like twine. You know what I'm saying? And hang it on with twine. So I may not do the brads, but I do want to show you. There's a ton in here. And how cute they are. They're like totally rounded and nice. Cute, cute, cute. Okay. So let's go ahead and score these guys. All right, and all the big score lines. And these guys would go in, of course. The score lines are really nice, so you can just get right on there. And this one, you can kind of train it a little bit. That's all you're doing with that. Okay. So let's glue. Or not. Let me see if I can get this guy going. There we go. Now I like to score ahead of time, so that's what I did, but now we're gonna have to keep these out of the way. All right, we can fold that right in half and just kind of make sure everything is level and even. I'll be right back. Are you ready? Now, if you are going to use a brad, what I would have done while this was flat, if you're just going to stick the tag here or whatever, maybe use a punch and just, punch your little hole so that it's easier to just get the brad through, if that's what you're going to do. Like I said, I think, so yeah, so I would have just put the little brad hole or whatever. Okay, so with this guy, what you're going to do is, it does say you can glue, so I don't know, but it will hold with the tension. So you're going to put this large flap in, then these side flaps, and then when this guy goes in, it holds together. If you want to glue it, I would just put a little glue. I'd kind of push this in, get some glue down in there, and then just let it go back. But for me, that's good. Let me see. Yeah, because as you're pushing back down in there, this piece keeps it from going back through, So there you go. But if you want to put some glue, you can definitely put some glue. Okay, so now we have our little handles. Here's some glue here. And some glue here. I'm just eyeballing that for the first one. And let's give it a little bit of a zhuzh. So I'm gonna put that one there. And a little further down like that. I'm just gonna hold on to that. I probably should have put... Actually, I should go ahead and hold it now because that glue's gonna dry. So as you can see, I'm kind of twisting it this way. So it's flat, not this way, it's gonna be all twisted. But just bring it around down here and try to keep it pretty even with the one I just did. There's a lot of tension there. So I'm just eyeballing where the other one is so that it can be kind of straight. Okay, I'll be right back. I want to show you on the little image here. It looks like they put like little X's, which is very cute. Just drawn on, like a little something, just a little something extra. Okay. This is super quick. I mean, I can imagine, someone stops by that maybe you didn't have a gift for. You can just throw this together. I'm putting glue on this side now for some reason. But I'm also kind of eyeballing where this is with the other one. That looks pretty good. I'm going to hold that before I come around and do the next one, okay? So I'll be right back. But yeah, you have this little thing, you maybe have them ready to go, but either way, just a couple little minutes, to yourself, and you have a gift card ready to go or something, or just a little bag of treats. That'd be really cute. Kind of hold Christmas cookies, because I know sometimes I'll make platters and it's a lot, right? Or even the little boxes I make, tins. So maybe you just want to add a few, in a nice little cellophane kind of bag, pop them in there. It'd be very cute. I'll be right back. And this guy, I'm just going to put glue on the back of that. So I showed you a couple ways to do that. Either putting the glue on the bag. I think it probably is better just to put on the little handle when you're ready. And trying to make sure those are lined up pretty close. That looks about the same. Okay, I'm gonna hold on to that and I'll be right back. Okay, and there's our bag. I'll give you a measurement on that. It is 4 inches tall and 1 3/4 at the width of it, you know. Again, you know, maybe just pop one of these little guys on there. Maybe just have one of the tags. Maybe just have this little guy, you know, hanging on there, however you want. I'm going to take a little twine. I have this kit here. Oh, I have white twine. That's cute. I was going to go for the red, but white would be fun. Or a mix of a couple different colors, right? That'd be cute too. And I'm just debating if I'm going to tie it like a bow or just hang it on there. Let's see. Should we tie them with a bow? Like on one side like this? Let's see. Those already unraveled, so I'm just letting it be kind of wild. There, that is so cute. Merry and bright. Okay. Should I do another knot? That's why I was debating myself, because a lot of times I'll do a tag a different way, because I'm like, okay, do I do the bow and then another bow, another knot, and then a bow, or is it just you already had one knot, so that's enough? Do whatever you like to get these things on here. I'm gonna pull that open a little bit more, kind of tie it up higher, bring this bow to the front. Okay. And you have the 2 little tags, which are super cute. I mean, you can stage them. I'll just say if you want to stage them and glue it down so that it stays open like this, you can definitely do that, or just let them be, right? But there's your little bag. Super cute. Really well done. And then, of course, you have your tissue paper, which I'll go ahead and put one in there carefully. I'm sure there's a couple sheets per, but yeah, so get your little things going in there, and then top it off with this really nice quality tissue paper. I don't want to hurt it too much. So usually what I do is I'll grab it in the middle, like I pinch it, and I kind of arrange things as I go up from there. If you can kind of see, there you go. I'm just gonna put that there for now. And it looks adorable. Oh my gosh, guys. All right, thanks for watching, guys. I'll have the links as available for the different items that Diamond Press has brought to HSN that are currently available. They will be there for you, and I'll have some images coming up, and I will see you all at the next one. Bye now.